Okay, now I'm going to show you how I'm going to turn it on. As you can see, you see oscillate. This makes it turn. You got 1 hour, 2 hour, and 4 hour. You got 60 degrees, 65, 70, 75, and 80, 85 maximum. So now I'm going to push this on. You see it says high power. You have a selection of high and low. When you turn it on, immediately it goes to high. And I got it on maximum. You see the light blinking? And so now I'm going to push oscillation because I want it to turn distributed heat with the fan that's inside. Now I don't know how available this this heater is going to be. I'll see if they have it on Amazon so you can get it quicker. It says it's made in China, but this is one product I can say China did a good job on. And it's keeping this entire hoop house, pots and all, safe. And this heater stays on constantly. It has not, you can't plug them both on the same line because it will pop your circuit. But it's keeping everything, and our turnips and our beets are growing. They're all growing together, but they're growing, so you can see that they have height on them.